Your power. Oh, that's insane. How's it, guys? You just checked a 50-watt driverless COB LED. All it is this flat little thing. So those who haven't experienced COB LEDs, it's basically chip on board, and this this orange area here is that's the chip, and it's obviously on the board. And this is going to bring out a full spectrum color scheme, so it's perfect for growing plants and pretty much anything cannabis, obviously. And yeah, so it's great if you want to build your own and assemble your own lights. But yeah, obviously there is a little bit of DIY involved. So we got soldering iron, solder, and a sturdy table to work on. Okay, let's bring the camera in a little bit closer and you can check out how we're going to solder this up. Okay guys, so we're not necessarily experts at soldering, but we've had our fair share. So what I'm going to do, on the chip there's a live and a neutral. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of solder to the live, just so when we apply there's some extra stickiness there. Okay, and then I've got just a plug, and on the other end of the plug some wires coming out. Obviously be very careful at home if you're not experienced in this case, but check on your plugs. One's going to be a neutral, one's going to be a live. We've got the blue, which is the neutral in our case, and the brown, which is the live. So L for live, let's get this brown one on there. And then next up, you get that O neutral on there. What I want to do is just add a little bit of extra sticky solder onto there. Alright, so simple as that. It's wired in and ready to go. We're just about to put it on. But just a note before we put it on, I'm only going to show you guys for 3, 4, 5 seconds at most, because already I can feel this chips at about 60 degrees coming off the back here. We did a little measurement early, and that's just from going on for a couple of seconds. So what you would need to do in general purpose is attach this onto a heat sink. So you can see there's 4 holes here. That's going to be attached onto any solid metal, active or passive heatsink, and you're just going to attach that on and let either a fan run over that or use the corrugated aluminium just to draw the heat away from the COB. Just like that. Pretty fucking cool, dude. Okay guys, so as of this video, January 2020, these chips are actually only 125 Rand. Super hot. Your power. Oh, that's insane. On our website, marijuanasa.co.za. So if we compare that to our next sort of conventional thing, you're looking at about 600-700 Rand for an E27 COB LED, which are really nice. It's got all white, it's all super secure and safe, but maybe you need something particular. You need something on the walls, you need something in this sort of shape or movable or something like that. This is going to be for you. Look, it's not that hard. We did it in about 5-10 seconds and boom bam, it was ready to go. I really like these. I really want to work on a little project. Check it out. If you like these videos, please subscribe. Thanks guys, have a great weekend, have a great day.